Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete someone's fake Instagram account. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. First of all, open up Instagram apps on your mobile phone. Then head over to the heart that you have up here. Now here you can approve or ignore all requests. Now you can actually hit here or you can hit to whatever the person's account is it. Now go ahead and click on it. Now this is obviously a scammer right here that follows everybody, and basically what I'm going ahead and do is I'm going to report this account. I'm going to go ahead and click the three dots right here, and I'm going to ahead click report. And once I go ahead I click report, I am going to ahead and report the whole account. Now here it's going to say they are pretending to be someone else and maybe someone you know. Under the edge I am going to press something else right here. So right here I am going to ahead and press its spam. Now there is other stuff that you can report from here. Now go ahead and press misleading or possible scam. Like that's what I am going to do right now. So you can see here that you have actually sent my report. I'm going go ahead and click next here. I can take the next step to actually restrict them from my account as well as block them. So go ahead and do it. Eventually they will get banned more than likely. Instagram does take the stuff extremely serious. So go and report them, and you can see this the scammers right, these are scams. They should not be on the platform. On Instagram will take their time and actually delete them. So that's how you can delete someone's fake Instagram account quickly. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.